Spy tactic number 13. Attend their seminars, workshops, conferences, and other events. Attending your competitors' seminars, workshops, conferences, and trade shows is one of the most powerful ways to gather real-world, unfiltered intelligence. These events remove the polish of marketing pages and replace it with live messaging, live selling, and live reactions. You are not guessing what they plan to do, you are watching it unfold in real time. Events reveal strategic direction, product roadmaps, pricing intent, and how competitors engage their audience face-to-face. When people are on stage, at booths, or answering questions live, they tend to say more than they realize. For a savvy observer, this environment is rich with insight. Why you should attend competitor events. Identify strategic vision. Keynotes often reveal long-term goals, upcoming launches, and shifts in focus. Pay attention to what is emphasized repeatedly. Those signals usually point to where resources are being allocated. Analyze sales tactics. Workshops and breakout sessions expose how competitors pitch value and handle objections. You will see the language, stories, and frameworks they rely on to close sales. Gather real-time market data. Events reveal current pricing, offers, and featured products. This information is often more current than what appears online. Understand customer pain points. Live question and answer sessions reveal what attendees are struggling with right now. These questions often expose gaps, confusion, or unmet needs in competitors' offerings. Network with the attendees. When attending events, always network with the attendees. Learn who they are, where they come from, what they do, and what brought them to the event. Understanding why people attend reveals powerful clues about demand and interest. These insights can later help you create stronger events of your own. Network with the vendors. Many events include vendors with tables or displays. Speak with them. Learn what products or services they offer, whether they are repeat vendors or new participants. These relationships can lead to partnerships, purchases, or invitations to future events. Network with the speakers. Introduce yourself to presenters and guest speakers. Ask what attracted them to speak at the event. Find out if they might be interested in speaking at one of your events. Building relationships in person makes future collaboration far easier. Get to know the venue. Learn about the venue hosting the event. Ask what it costs to rent rooms or conference spaces. Understanding the facility helps you evaluate whether it could work for one of your own events. Explore nearby restaurants and gathering spots. Many attendees continue networking after the event ends. Knowing nearby restaurants, lounges, or hotel dining areas helps you guide conversations and build deeper connections. Benchmark performance. Seeing competitors present live provides valuable perspective. You can directly compare energy, professionalism, clarity, and engagement against your own standards. How to spy on competitors at events. Attend sessions and question periods. Listen carefully for announcements about new products, partnerships, or pricing changes. Spontaneous answers often reveal more than prepared presentations. Analyze booths and displays. Booth layouts, signage, demonstrations, and printed materials reveal marketing priorities. Staff confidence and preparedness often reflect internal alignment. Network ethically. Engage in casual conversations. Observe tone, knowledge, and customer service style. The goal is observation, not interrogation. Monitor social media. Event hashtags often reveal real-time reactions, audience sentiment, and highlights from sessions you might miss. Divide and conquer. If attending with a team, split up sessions to cover more ground. Different perspectives often uncover different insights. Debrief immediately. Capture observations while they are fresh. Reviewing notes soon after the event helps patterns and insights emerge more clearly. Where to find competitor events. Eventbrite, useful for finding workshops, local seminars, and niche events by industry. Meetup. Meetup.com connects millions of people through local gatherings and professional communities. It is useful for discovering industry groups and networking events. 10 Times and TradeFest. Large directories for conferences and global trade shows. These platforms help spot broader industry trends. LinkedIn groups and events. Search by industry, topic, or competitor name to uncover upcoming gatherings. Allconferences.com, a massive directory listing conferences worldwide, helpful for long-term planning. Search engines and trade publications. Industry publications and online searches frequently publish event calendars. These sources often uncover opportunities others overlook. Facebook groups and events. A surprisingly effective place to find local meetups and gatherings. Closing thoughts. Competitor events provide insight that no report or press release can match. They reveal how strategies are communicated, how offers are positioned, and how audiences respond. Attend with intention, observe carefully, and take notes. Events can become one of the most powerful ways to sharpen your messaging, improve your offerings, and stay ahead of the competition.